Hello everyone, welcome to today's topic. Today's topic is types of wiring and their specifications. What is electrical wiring? See, generally the electrical wiring is nothing but it is a network of wires which are drawn connecting the main board to various energy consumption loads such as fans, lamps, motors, etc. through protective and control devices for efficient distribution of power. We call them as electrical wiring. So there are different types of wiring as you can see in the slide. We have cleat wiring, casing and caping wiring, surface conduit wiring, concealed conduit wiring. Let us understand one by one what and how they have been linked. Now you can see from the figures the cleat wirings used to be used in the older time. Old houses way back they used to have cleat wiring. Now you can see from the diagram here the cleat wiring how they have connected the wiring, cleat wiring, and also wooden casing and capping is available here. And also now the casing and capping is entirely different. Also the illustration of surface conduit wiring you can observe here from the picture how the surface wiring is done. Also the next figure shows how steel conduit can be used for as a CPC wire. Now cleat wiring is very simple as you can see in the diagram. The wires are drawn on the wall or on the wooden planks so to protect from any electrical shock and other things, and the three wires are interconnected with a switch and also in between they have been plugged in as you can observe in the diagram. And second type of wiring is casing and capping. In casing and capping consists of an insulated conductors. Either they are made up of VIR or PVC cables. They are laid inside the rectangular wooden, or earlier days they were used to use the wooden type. Nowadays plastic material has been used. Casing of seasoned teak wood they used to use having grooves inside it. Now also a rectangular strip of wood called as caping was fixed, and both the width will be same and they will fix in such a way that one is runs on the other one. Now both the casing and caping are screwed together at every 15 centimeters. Now casing is attached to the wall by the means of wooden blocks or porcelain discs, generally to safeguard them from the dampness. Here two or more wires of same polarity are drawn through different grooves, and the system is very much suitable for indoor and domestic installations. What are the advantages of this casing is it is one of the cheapest type of wiring. It provides good installation as the conductors are placed apart from reducing the risk of short circuit. They are easily accessible for inspection and repairing and easy to install. There are also few disadvantages, that is high risk of fire hazard, does not give a good appearance because it is laid outside, suitable only for voltages up to 250 volts, and they cannot be used in damp places. So these two are the uses of casing and caping. Nowadays most preferred is concealed conduit wiring, wherein the wire is entirely concealed inside the walls so that it gives a good appearance, good appealing. And surface conduit wiring, as you can see, it is also laid above the walls. So when we lay above the walls, there are certainly some disadvantages. Whenever we go for looks and other things, it will not be very good for the looks. And nowadays with the modern houses construction, the looks interiors what we provide, they will not give you good appealing look. And also safety wise, if you go for concealed conduit wiring, all the wiring connection everything can be done inside the conduits so that it gives you good appealing, good looks. Hope these are the different types of wiring which has been carried out. Most of us would have observed the different types of wiring. Now next time when you observe different wirings, please go through each wiring type and try to identify which wiring it has been carried out at your house. Thank you.